we are now going to check the other two campgrounds nearby. The first one is with a toilet, but I think the other one has a toilet as well. So let's see what they offer. So this is the first entrance from Melbourne. So Lake Lonsdale. No camping beyond this one, so only going that way. So yeah.
There's no camping beyond this point.
So this is our camping area.
So this section that we're driving along now used to allow camping, but there are signs up now saying no camping beyond this point, and we are beyond that point. And there's also signs saying caution falling tree limbs, so we're assuming that it's a safety issue, the no camping in this area. That's it.
But there are campers here. If you go further, I'm not sure. What are these? Oh, let's see if you can see, there's the water down that way.
So presumably if we go out here, we're on the same road. Just further up.
Let's see what's the sunset. What are these? No camping beyond this point. Oh no, this is
in
like
that direction.
Oh, there's another fire pit over there.
Yeah.
That's
So we haven't spotted a toilet out here, but there's certainly campsites aplenty and a number of fire pits around as well.
So this is, yeah.
So there's two fire pits here.
Oh yeah, I think we probably drove into the wrong entrance before.
Us? Make a mistake? Are you kidding?
We are trying to find out if there's another way to get out of the campground before, but we couldn't see it, and this is like a lot of sand. So now we're trying to get out from the same direction and find out if there's any other entrance from the road.
Yeah, and unfortunately my offline GPS maps aren't working properly, so I wasn't able to.
Why is that, Jay?
I have no idea, mate. It says it's failed to sync, which has happened once before, but it's never happened before that prevented me from just looking at the map as it was prior to syncing. So, yeah, no idea. I'll have to find out when I've got coverage.
This one.
That's the one.
Biggest press is entry. So this first campground is actually quite large, but you have to go a bit deeper from the front, from the side, and then there are a few others area that you can choose to, not just one.
And you could just drive a van in here. You don't need a four-wheel drive, although you'd want to take it easy because there's a few potholes. But yeah, anyone could camp in here. The only downside, of course, is there is no toilet that we've seen in this area. But if you're self-contained, no trouble at all. That way you'll have more peace and quiet.
So we are now going to the third campground in this Lake Lonsdale, and hopefully this time it's a bit easier to find. They should put a more clear sign on the right hand side to pointing out, because they're quite hidden, the sign. So here we go. Slow down, do this on the left. Yeah. this? No, it's boat ramp.
You boat enthusiasts.
Yeah, so I believe this one has a boat ramp. It's a bit tricky. Okay, this is the best one, I think. The second camp area is actually one of the nicest one because it has the facility, which is a quite large toilet. There are 4 toilets in it.
We are here at Lake Lonsdale. This is we have come in through the Diggers Rest East entry. There are toilets here, which is good. That means that there's, you don't need to bring your own. There's quite a few fire pits around the place, and the boat ramp gives good access. There's a breakwater as well, which you can also fish on. If you're boating kind, obviously you're going to go out in your boat and fish. And the campsites themselves are very large, so you're not in any danger of getting crowded in, unless, of course, it's a long weekend. I imagine it does get pretty packed. But yeah, it's a really nice spot, and if we were coming to this area again, I would choose this campground over the one that we are staying at currently.
And you can also have access to the ramp, and there's a little bit of playgrounds just before the ramp, and you can fish over there as well. So there's so many choices in the little area in Lake Lonsdale, so I recommend this place. Hello. And so beautiful. What about your friend? Hello. You're gorgeous, aren't you? Look at that. They're lovely animals. Alright. So there are a few of them. So there are 2 entrances to the Flat Rock Lake Lonsdale campgrounds. One of these things is Flat Rock West, and the other ones I assume the Flat Rock East, but we'll have a look. The problem is they don't put any sign. As you can see, there's just, you can't really tell when you're driving what past.
Oh, there is a sign, but it's rotted away.
Yeah, so there's Flat Rock. So we are on the Flat Rock East. Oh, that's where we are. So there's just like 2 different entrances.
There's our mighty Jaco Outback Swift.
We start really liking it now. We're growing into it.
Yeah, well, it's getting easier to use with time as we get used to it, and also we know its limitations now.
Especially with that, the flyer, the cover, what do you call the flyer?
Yeah, the fly
Yeah.
for the beds.
It looks much better.